Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to link your Bleach Soul Resonance account with Facebook. So first of all, open your Bleach Soul Resonance game on your device. It can be your mobile device or tablets. Once you're inside the main home screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on this menu button. Once you're inside the menu icon, tap on gear button on the right, and once you're inside the settings menu, go ahead and click on Other. Under Login Info, tap on Link right next to Link Account. Now select the Link button on the next page right next to Continue with Facebook. Get ready to enter your Facebook account's credentials if you are not logged into Facebook on this device. Go ahead and enter your email address and the password associated with your Facebook account, and once you do, you will see this interface. Click on Continue button at the bottom, and once completed, you'll see a confirmation message that your account is successfully linked. Linking helps you protect your progress, and you can recover your account if you reinstall the game on your device. So that's it. Now your account is connected to Facebook, making it safer and easier to manage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.